Alright, Secret DIY, yeah. Today on this Fan Daffy Jonesy episode, I'm going to show you how to change blade in a punch saw. So basically, I've got here the Makita SP6000. So that's what I've got, that's what I have, the new jig, and it's a plug-in one as well. 110, so it's a 110 box, all that good stuff, and it's plugged out when you do this. Make sure it's not in power. So all you do then is basically, it's dead simple. You want to start off by having a look on your side here. Mine's got the side here, and it's got the tag, and it says a 165mm blade. That's what I need to have, so that's what I've got here. 165mm, and I've gone for a 42, sorry, not 42, 48 tooth. That's what I've gone for, so that does good cuts when you're doing things like sheets and material, which I'm going to be using it for. So that bit's out the way. Now, what you've got here is, you've got this button here on a plunge saw, and that moves it up and down. Okay, so I have here, there's a location there, right? So all I do now is I push this down, pull that location round, open it up, and it stops it there. So the blade comes out there. Now obviously I can get to the nut to loosen it. What you got then is, you've got this here, normally on the side, which is your Allen key. Which obviously does this here. Happy days. That stops that. Now, little trick for you, so you know, the teeth on a plunge saw should be going that way. Always going that way. Never have them going the opposite way, because basically what will happen is it'll cut this way, and that's what you want. You want to be cutting that way, so it goes up, so it goes through your cut, through the sheet material that you're going through. So once we going on that way, not that way. Now there is a way of being able to know that. You've got a line there that shows you as well, up there. So you can't go wrong on stuff like that. Right, it's basically foolproof. So I'm going to take this off now, and then I'll get showing you how to think. Oh, another thing, to stop that from moving, I've got a switch here. Okay, you want to look for your switch, and you push your switch down. When you push your switch down, that stops that from moving, so you can get it cracked. So let's have a look at you. So when you're opening it, you want to be opening it this way as well. Okay, so to tighten it goes that way, to open it goes that way. Because sometimes when you're doing blades like in a table saw, you actually go the opposite way. So you tighten it that way, which is right, and then you loosen it that way. But this time you tighten it that way on a table saw, and you loosen it that way. So it's the opposite thread, just so you know. All you do then is take this off like so. Make sure you don't lose them. Then blade comes out like so. Put a new blade in. Make sure, like I say, got your arrow there. Got your arrow that's going that way. All of a sudden, just get your little collet going there. And then start tightening it. There we have it, all done. Now you know you're good to go. So that's it, you're good to go now, basically. Just a quick video for you. I'm going to try and do a couple of more. during the week, every once a week for you, just so you can see little bits and bobs on how to change blades. It's just a little quick recap for you, so you don't have to trudge through a load of massive video. You can just basically click on this, have a quick look, you know how to do it, and you're away. Anyway, I just want to say thanks very much for watching. You can find it in your heart to subscribe, all that good stuff. That'd be brilliant. And I can't wait to see you in the next one, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.